What's going on, guys? Coach Joe here at the Lions Den, and about 2 years ago, time flies pretty crazy, I released a video about sandbag training and how to include it in your training. And it's probably one of the best videos in terms of views on the channel, and that's where I get a lot of my subscribers from. So 2 years later, I want to make like a part 2 of that video. The gym has grown a lot. We have a ton more sandbags, a lot more workouts I want to give you guys, and hopefully you can enjoy this. So as a strongman competitor and athlete and just general strength and conditioning, these are a staple in the training for myself as well as all the athletes that train here. When you're thinking about sandbags too, you're working strength, you're gonna be working your grip strength and your lungs and just mental fortitude. You know, just picking up a sandbag kind of sucks. But real quick, I want to show you the sandbags that we have, some new ones as well. I think we only had 3 sandbags when I made the video prior, but we have the big brute force strongman bag, goes up to 175 pounds, and you can load it with these smaller sandbags here that you can use separately as well. But we have some of those. Like I said, the big one, we have the smaller one, the camo one. That one goes up to about 75 pounds. And then we have some brute force balls, or brute balls, what they're called. And this one I think goes up to about 85 pounds. We have a smaller one that's about 60 pounds. Great for just doing carries or over the shoulder. And these ones I don't fill all the way because I want them to actually be tougher. So when you look over at the Rogue ones that we have, we've got a huge assortment of Rogue sandbags. Really love these bags, guys. You should go check out Alan Thrall's review on them, but I can't say enough awesome things about these bags, how they hold up, how they are in training. But these are pretty filled all the way, so the sand doesn't move around as much. So with the brute balls, I take out some of the sand, so it just makes it harder. You know, the weight's shifting, and it's really giving you that true sandbag effect. But with the Rogue ones, we have 100 all the way up to a 300-pound sandbag. This thing is no joke, and you know, training strongman, very important to have for the events you're doing strongman, as well as just strength as well. So if you have some heavier bags, you can train your strength training. But that's kind of the assortment that I have now. Highly recommend everything that I just mentioned, but we're gonna just get right to the video with different workout routines you can do that are gonna be cost effective, best bang for your buck, and give you the best results as possible, as quickly as possible. So let's go. So you guys have it, pretty much piggybacking off of the video I made 2 years ago about sandbag training with some of the newer sandbags that I purchased throughout the year, some different variations that you guys can try with your training. And hopefully you guys got some value out of that. If you did, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel. I put out weekly videos on all things health, fitness, strength related. But until then, guys, stay a lean, mean, strength machine, and we are done.